and tell me yes or no, so it could be easier for me to decide.
Okay, Mary, can we start the video,
Yep.
please? I'm being very nice. Can you find the chair?
Okay. What chair? What chair?
What chair?
What chair?
Come on, I'm trying to start
What
this
chair?
video.
What chair?
Oh my God.
What chair?
Find it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing the Whisper Challenge. Is that what it's called? The Whisper Challenge with my sister.
What? Rose, can you edit this part?
Who wants to go first? Who? You want to go first?
No.
Okay, so can you pick a song for me?
On my phone?
You gonna be the one listening, or I'm gonna be the one listening?
You don't want to be listening and I'll say something. You want something loud? Can you edit this part?
Of course.
Edit this part. Okay, start all over. I'll start all over.
No, I'm gonna edit already. Man, you taking time.
I don't have any
It's
song.
gonna be so much for me to edit.
Okay, you like this song?
I don't care what song it is, just turn it up. Turn it up all the way.
Hey, I thought your ears might hurt. Damn.
Okay, go. Okay.
What? Your eyes yellow.
What?
Your eyes yellow.
My ass stink.
No, your eyes are yellow.
I need to wash clothes.
No, your eyes are yellow.
My eyes are glowing.
Your eyes
My eyes
are yellow.
are the glow.
Yellow. Your eyes are yellow.
My eyes are the glow.
No. Yellow.
Okay, come now.
Okay. You eat fish.
I eat fish.
Mm.
Hey.
You stink.
I stink.
Yeah. Your breath stink.
My booty stink.
Your breath stink.
My breath stink.
That I'm just like.
Okay, your turn. 'Cause you. Okay.
What about your music?
Say.
Wait, why is it not in? What
Cause
type
you
of
got them in
earphones
the
are
wrong way.
these? What? No. Oh. Oh, ew, no wonder they felt ugly. I mean, they felt weird.
Okay.
Okay.
You're doing a little too much.
I had to
Okay.
edit it.
Ready? Look at me. Why are you looking at the camera? Look at me.
What?
What? Your eyes are purple.
Your eyes are purple.
Lick your toes.
You choke.
Lick your toes.
You eat toast.
Lick your toes.
You look nosy.
Your toes.
Lick your toes.
Your cornrows are ugly.
What is it? Is it 8?
Your cornrows are ugly.
What? Orange juice stink.
Who did your hair?
What?
Who did your hair?
Who did your hair?
Your eyebrows ain't on fleek.
Did you brush your feet?
Your eyebrows are not on fleek.
Your eyebrows are.
Or not on fleek. Or not on fleek. Why your teeth so yellow?
What?
Why your teeth so yellow?
Who did your nails?
Why your teeth so yellow?
Why is my teeth so yellow? It's not.
So that concludes our Whisper Challenge. Anyways, subscribe and also click on the bell to be notified when I make new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.